Hi, my name is Benjamin Liu. I'm here to present today the task tracker. The task tracker is to be able to store and keep track of these tasks, to put it simply. It's for those who are often forgetful and busy and cannot remember, their long list of work they have to do. This was made using the React library, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to help develop. It also made use of local storage and session storage to be able to store user data, and also use email.js to be able to send to the user's email when it comes to export. And finally, I used VS Code as my IDE and I deployed this with Netlify.
Once on the home page of Task Tracker, there's two sections, Get Started and Features. Clicking on Features presents you with Task Management, Checkmark Complete Tasks, Search and Sort, and much more. Over up, using this temporary email and the password as the same, just for convenience, we can sign up and create an account. Once this account is signed up, there's a confirmation message which can be seen within the inbox. Over here it says, welcome aboard, you can start managing your tasks efficiently. Once we're there, there's a Get Started section. Clicking on that will bring you to the Task Tracker. I have imported a couple common tasks that can be seen from a regular person's day-to-day. Over here, we have an edit, pin, and delete options. If the user decides that one task is more important than the others, there's a pin option, creating to pin tasks. Within pin tasks, we can have buy groceries, water their plants, and maybe even prepare meals. Say the user doesn't want to see the tasks in an ascending order. There are 4 sections, descending, alphabetical A to Z, alphabetical Z to A. If we change to descending, we'll see the bottom task be presented up front, and the top task be presented on the bottom. If the user is satisfied with some of the tasks, there's a check mark right here. Clicking on it will cross it out, bring it to the bottom. This can apply anywhere, including sorts, always pushing the check mark at the bottom. If the user is not satisfied with one of the tasks, there's an edit option. Let's say instead of watering the plants, we could be like, water the garden. Clicking update will update the task. If the user is not satisfied with the task or does not want it to complete it anymore, there's a delete option, completely removing it from the list. Once the user feels like the list has been completed, on the top right corner there's a button called Export. Clicking on it provides 2 options, Save to System or Send via email. Clicking on Save to System creates a .txt file named Tasks. It is a formatted version of what has been shown in the web app with pinned and unpinned tasks, the X marking it as complete. If the user sends via email, it will be sent towards their inbox. Once refreshed, opening it up will provide the exact same list from the HTML. Everything matches, including the completion. If the user feels like the entire list is complete, there's a Clear Completed button, which in clicking on this will remove anything that's checkmarked. There's also a Clear All button, which removes all tasks, including the checkmarked ones. All tasks are tied to the user, so say I place take out the trash, enter it in, logging out will present me back to the home page. If I go back to tasks, it will not be there. Finally, there's a contact page, which presents a button to email. Clicking on it will present a prompt with saying hello to me.